Hey everyone, David Shahady here, Real Estate Investment Finance. Guys, today we're talking about tips on how you can achieve financial independence. Our tip number one is to know what financial independence means to you. Set a number and know what your goal is. Guys, financial independence is when you know you've got enough money coming in to cover the bills, cover all your outgoings, and to be able to stop having to go to work to be able to earn an income. Guys, how much do you need to be in that position where you get to choose to live life on your own terms? If you want to go to work, you go to work, and if you don't, you know there's enough money coming in, day out, to be able to live comfortably to the lifestyle that you desire. Guys, a little tip to be able to work out what that FI number is, your financial independence number, is to times your annual income you desire by 25. So guys, if $100,000 a year is your goal, then $2.5 million would be your financial independence number. Tip number two is paying down bad debt. Guys, those credit cards, those personal loans, those student loans, any loan there that's not producing you an income, we call that bad debt. Good debt is income producing assets, and it's okay to borrow for that because it's building wealth for your financial future. It's actually smart to do that. But guys, if you're wanting to pursue financial independence, it's super important that you look at that bad debt and get it paid down. Come up with a written plan on how you're going to be able to pay it down and stick to it. Guys, if your income is not enough to be able to get that bad debt paid down, look at other ways that you can increase your income. It could be a side hustle, for example. It could be a second job. But this is super crucial when you are on your journey to pursuing financial independence. Guys, on your pursuit to financial independence, it's so important to avoid inflation lifestyle. And that means as you earn more money, increasing that lifestyle that you live. It could be upgrading the car, upgrading the house, spending more money on entertainment. Guys, on your pursuit to financial independence, as you earn more money, it's a massive opportunity to be able to utilize that extra disposable income that you're generating to invest it into asset producing, returns. And that's going to really help get that passive income set up for your financial future. If you can avoid the whole keeping up with the Jones mentality, you're really going to give yourself the best opportunity to be able to work towards achieving that financial independence. Up to tip number four. Tip number four is to prioritize saving. Guys, it might seem easier said than done. So how can we actually make sure that we're actually allocating money out of each paycheck towards savings? So we've got surplus funds there to be able to invest into our financial future. Guys, one tip that you can utilize is automating your savings. Have a certain percentage of each paycheck go into a separate account that you can't touch. That way you know what's left each paycheck, and that's what you got to survive on and budget on to live. Guys, this is a great strategy. When you are on your pursuit to financial independence, it's extremely important that you are prioritizing your savings. And that tip number five is to utilize any equity that you're sitting on in any of your existing real estate to be able to reinvest it to produce income producing assets. Guys, a lot of people sit on lazy equity. It's money sitting there in their properties that they could be tapping into to be able to invest and continue building the property portfolio. Guys, if you've got access to finance from the bank, and let's say the banks want 3% for their money, we can utilize the equity in your property. We can grab the funds for 3%. And if we can go out there and put it into assets that are going to produce us a higher return, we're able to leverage the bank's money, leverage our equity in position to be able to enhance and grow our property portfolio. This is massive when it comes to being able to build a multi-million-dollar property portfolio. If you are sitting on lazy equity, reach out. We'd love to be able to assist, work through what that means and how that could be utilized to be able to set yourself up for your financial future. Thanks guys, and we'll see everyone online soon. Cheers.